Hi, lovely people. I'm the Lazy Niger Woman. Welcome to my channel. So today I'll be prepping agwo or breadfruit with corn and native hot sauce. So you're going to need the following ingredients. That's boiled corn. I just ran some water over it to get it cool. Ehu, efuru, and or efu, depending on where you're from. Salt, fish. That's arara fish, and that's the mangala. So I'm going to break these ones up in the food. Oh my god, that's some pesky fly over there. And then have the mangala, which is going to be the ogabada on top of the food. So here's some bitter leaf. Actually, they are fresh bitter leaf from my garden. I don't use wash bitter leaf, and I promise you it doesn't get done bitter when you're done cooking. So I don't know any Igbo person who gets to have a little space in their compound who won't plant bitter leaf. Like I've seen people use it as their flowers in their compound, like bitter leaf represent the flower in the compound. So you basically need like 6 to 10 leaves depending on your choice or taste. And there's oil, pepper to taste, and unga. You can also use oziza seed and some other seed. So I'm going to prep my ingredients and cut out the corn from the corn cob, wash the breadfruits, and I'll get back to you after prepping my ingredients. See you soon. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please don't forget to do so. And don't forget to like, so share with family and friends. While washing the breadfruit or ukwa, make sure to get rid of the brown skins. They are quite stubborn and tend to cling a lot, so you get them out while washing. And be sure not to let the sands at the bottom get into your food. So you're going to add water 1 inch above the ukwa level, and I'm going to prepare my ungo mixture. So I'm going to filter it using a paper towel. Yeah, see how sandy that is. My mother-in-law normally makes this for us, and the one she gives me doesn't have sand in them. But she's been ill for a while, so right now I have to buy for the market, and then for the market is sandy, just like this one. You can also use potash if you have potash available. So we're going to set this aside after filtering them. After filtering it, sorry, I set aside. Don't worry if it settles. You can use the clear liquid. You can even prepare for future use and keep aside. So I'm going to start placing the bitter leaf into the pots and then cook. When it's about to start boiling, you're going to add the unga mixture or solution. I'm just using a spoon to help it mix better or faster. Then leave it to cook for a while. And while it's cooking, we're going to get the corn out of the corn cobs. Guys, you can boil your corn and then do like this, or you can cut and then cook, but I prefer this way anyway. So if you've watched my video concerning oswak, you see this the same way I cut it out. So I'm going to check my okwa to see how it's doing. It's about to get done. And there's no fixed cooking time for cooking okwa. Actually, cooking time varies because not every okwa gets done at the same time. So once they're soft and mash easily, your okwa is done. I'm done with the corn. I'm going to wash them and boil them. So okwa is done, and I've brought it down from heat. I'm going to separate the water from the okwa pot so it doesn't suck it up. Okwa has a tendency to leak when left to cool. Should I need to add water into the food, I'll be using the okwa liquid. Actually, you can skip the boiling of the corn cobs if you want to, because okwa is already hot. But I just wanted it to still be piping hot. I like hot food, so I just want it to be hot when I need it and not just cold, you know. So you're going to pick out some of the leaves in the okwa and set them aside. You're going to pound it together for later. And also the liquid is going to be set aside for use. Now I'm going to pound or grind toasted ehu or ehuru seeds and set aside also. Pepper, So, quick reminder, have you subscribed to my channel? Have you liked this video? Please do so now if you haven't done so. Thank you. Add the fish. You should tie your mangala fish if you don't want it to break up. Add some water and let it simmer for about 2 minutes. Then pick out the mangala fish and set aside. Pepper, oda, oziza, ihu. If you want more flavor from these spices, you should toast them. You can use any of the two actually. Now we're going to add some ukwa paste, just about 1 or 2 spoonfuls of ukwa paste. So when it's okay, you're going to set aside, turn up the heat. So it's time to combine all of the ingredients. I'm going to add corn, followed by pepper, some ihu spice, palm oil, and then you stir to combine. Guys, this is actually done with much more violence. I'm just being a baby here. A baby in my corn. Some people make theirs in the mortar and then transfer back to the pot, but I prefer doing mine in the pot because it's a very small quantity. I don't have to mess this up just for this quantity. So you're going to stir it until the ukwa becomes like the ukwa looks like it's really mashed. And now we're going to add some salt to taste and combine properly. This is by far my best ukwa. That is the best way I like to eat ukwa. Ukwa with corn is my best way of eating ukwa. The other way is actually delicious, but this for me is my mumu button when it comes to ukwa. So now food is ready and I'm going to give it a taste. We usually serve this with the liquid I took out earlier, but you can also take it this way if you prefer to do so. For me, any which one works. I also have other okwa related videos uploaded. Also, we'll be making a video on how to preserve okwa for a long time soon. So please be on the lookout for that and don't forget to subscribe so you can be able to get notifications to be in the know of whenever I upload new videos. So when you subscribe and also press the red bell button, whenever I upload new content, you be the first to see them. And thank you for watching. Thanks for subscribing. Thanks for giving me your time. Please stay safe. Take care of yourself. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you very much. Bye. See my next video.